flip us over.
Nah, they won't. They'll get real close to us.
Yeah. Take your bait out of the water, though.
Huh?
Take your bait out of the water, though.
I ain't gonna eat that.
Oh, your bait. Oh my gosh.
Pretty cool, huh? Oh yeah, right below the front of the canoe. Wow. Right here, they're trailing off in front of us. I don't know that this camera is catching that, but
I think I felt one on my feet. Oh,
Right next to us, look.
it's following us.
hey, don't. Seriously. I don't want to flip. And they are friendly. They will rub themselves on the canoe and stuff.
Yeah.
He just took off down that way.
There are two over there. Looks like a whole herd.
Plus, you're really not supposed to interact with them. Did you know that? You're not supposed to feed them.
I don't think they want our stuff.
No, if we had some fish though, on a string fish and let them go act, they'll come after it. It's easy pickings. They're not trying to kill us. They're in there feeding, bud.
Hello. Oh, he wants to race?
Yeah, there is no race. They win.
The only race they're having is a race for food.
Yeah, that's a mom and a baby there. He's turning. There's a fish going there.